Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Oh, it's different than your timer. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Wow. I don't know what's gotten into you today. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Getting slow.
Thanks, honey.
Boosting the morale.
Are you ready? Stand by.
290. Consistency.
See, I'm motivating you to do better.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Stand by. Is this last string coming up?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? 377. Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Did you hit one twice?
I had a miss on the first one, so I had to go back and make it up.
I only heard the shot. I didn't hear the hit. Are you ready? Stand by. $361. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. 195. ready? Stand by. 193. I wish somebody would come here and score something, do both, because it's not, doesn't look good. Are you ready? Oh, wait, sorry. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 192. Are you ready? Stand by. 190. I've gotten lower every time. Last string. Are you ready? Stand by. 185.
Yep.
Stand by.
209.
Okay, you make ready for your next string?
No.
Or what do you say?
Well, you can say prepare for your next
Or
string, but you
prepare
don't
for your
need to.
next string. I forget that part. Are you ready? Stand by. That's not real loud, but
Okay, now we've got to move down here.
are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. That was good. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. I'm not. I don't think you missed any. It sounds like you're hitting them, but it's hard to see.
I'm watching it. I'm making.
Okay, good, because I can't see that far. Is your last string?
Yeah.
Is it last one?
Last turn.
Are you ready? Stand by.